Hello everyone and Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. Like this is the best time you want to cleanse after visiting some restrooms you're not sure of, visiting so many people to enjoy the holidays. This is the best time you want to cleanse, most especially us women. You don't know what you must have like gotten into contact with. You don't want to take chances and start feeling itchiness before you do something about it. You just want to cleanse now. So I'll be sharing with you what I used to drink and what I used to wash up so everything goes away. Any possible bacteria or germs that might cause any infections or whatever will be gone. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you straight away and show you what I used. I've had it already in the morning because you just want to do it and drink immediately and use the half of it to wash up with it. So I'll show you so you can join me and let's smell fresh and good. We all do not want that foul smell that comes from contacting bacteria, and so in order to avoid it, join me and let's cleanse. So you can all join me and let's smell fresh and good and feel comfortable and proud of ourselves. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it, and do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all smell fresh and good. So let's get into it. So in order to make our natural cleansing treatment, we'll be using mostly natural antibiotics. And the first on this list will be garlic. So garlic is one of the strongest natural antibiotics you can get. Like it helps to clear up bacterial infections in your system, fungal infection. If you have fungal, this is what you want to mix up and rub on the area for it to clear up. And all the itchiness we have is due to exposure to bacteria, fungi, infections, and the rest. So you want to use this to cleanse it out. Best to be used now to prevent any culturing leading to itchiness and all the other types of bacterial infections that lead to gonorrhea, syphilis, all those uh, bacterial infections you want to avoid, and drink this now. So what I'll be using will be 3 cloves of garlic. So remember, this is to drink and to wash up, so you want to watch this video till the end so you see actually how you have to use this. So this is my 3 crushed garlic. You want to make sure you wash your garlic well. You can blend it, but crushing it is best. So you just get your grater, your manual grater, and grate and like crush it this way. The second ingredient I'll be using will be cloves. So this is kind of a spice, but it has a lot of natural medicinal benefits. I think I shared a video with this clove you can use some long time ago. You can use to actually cleanse your system with. This is so good, most especially for women, as this is what we use traditionally back home to cleanse and wash out all bacterial infections, cleaning your system so you can always have that fresh, clean skin without any foul smell. So this is like a natural antibiotic to treat bacteria, but biologically it has antibacterial properties, antifungal property, anti-insecticide. Like it has been researched and discovered that this is a very powerful natural antibacterial, antifungals, which is good for itches because all the itchiness are due to fungal infections and bacteria. So the next thing I'll be adding in here is onion. Onion too is a very powerful natural bacteria absorbent. Like it, if you put it anywhere, it absorbs bacteria. So applying it or washing it, that area with it, soaks up the bacteria there and clears it out of your down there so it can smell fresh, free of those bacteria leading to the foul smell. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. I learned this a lot from a Chinese who told me you can actually slice this and put around your house, and that is why it is very poisonous for you to eat onion after it has been exposed, because it soaks, it absorbs bacteria. So that is why we are using it here. So what we need here is half an onion. You simply just need to get your onion, divide in the middle, and use your manual grater to kind of crush it. What you need is to, you can crush or you blend, but I prefer crushing so it is easier for me and it doesn't take time. Yeah, so this is what you want to achieve: half an onion, and that is the third ingredient. So you can use lemon here preferably. Why are we using lemon or orange? We need that good acid to burn that bad acid down there. Like you want it to burn the bad acids making that area to always be itchy and the rest. And besides that, when you add it in your drink, the vitamin C help to boost your immunity so you are strong enough to combat the infections and diseases. So vitamin C is good here. I use orange, but lemon is preferable. But the orange is because I want it a little bit kind of sweet in my mouth, but trust me, lemon is what you need here. So and lemons are highly acidic than oranges, but oranges equally have some of the good acids, but not as acidic as lemon. So I'd rather go for the orange. So this is it. What I want to do now is I want to kind of, I don't want to really cook, but if you have a pot, you can just boil everything with like use your on your stove. But I kind of like to infuse this. That way I know I prefer this method. It's more effective for me, like infusing. So I've put the clove in my cup. I've added the garlic. That is my onion now. So I want my water to boil. So the hot water now will easily infuse this, most especially the clove. If you use cold water, you cannot really extract that clove into this treatment. So you want to use hot water so it can extract the like the get the cloves infused in here. But if you cook it, it is even faster. So but this is how I like to do mine. So you see the color is kind of getting darker because of the clove that has been like infused in that water. So this is when I add in my orange, when the water is like kind of not too hot, okay for me to drink and wash up. This is when I add my orange juice in here. So now you have to split in two portions. You drink 1 cup, and the remaining 1 cup is to wash up that area with, like our down there. That is where you use half of it to wash up down there with it. So you want to split the one in the cup you can drink, and this bigger cup you can transfer in your toilet cup and just use it to wash your down there with it. So make sure you wash it first, then you just rinse. It's kind of a rinse wash. You just use this to rinse your down there with it, like slowly. Just take your time and rinse so it really cleans up that area. Don't rush. Just take your time and rinse, clean up that area. And trust me, any possible bacteria you must have contacted from visiting different places, whether it is the mall you went for shopping or friends and family, different toilets, restrooms you visited. This is to clear up any possible chances of having any bacteria leading to itchiness, or just to cleanse your own self so you are just free of all those situations. Yeah, and smell so okay and proud of yourself. Yeah, so I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all smell fresh and good. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.